Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Vrbo application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now, once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then search for Vrbo. Once you find the application, just go ahead and tap on the install button. Now, this is the Vrbo owner application, but if you're not an owner, then you will need to install the application which simply says Vrbo. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once you see the open button, you can just tap on it to open up the app. And now you can continue with signing up and creating a new account or logging in to your existing account to use the Vrbo application, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Vrbo application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.